Smita, Somnath Swami, Deepak Patil is here, Sonali Patil is here, GR Patil is here, Ravindra is here, Amit Kumar Shelkar is here, Prashant Pawar is here, Somnath,
Sir,
Vidyarani.
Amit Kumar Shelar actually.
Yeah. Amit Kumar Shelar. There are two Amit Kumar Shelars. You're logging from two devices, is it?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sonali Patil, Diya Prasad, Yogesh Swarvase, Sandeep Jadhav, Teresa. Teresa, are you there? Uttam, are you there? Virendra Kumar Khed. Meenal is there. Shruti Ved Patak. Dr. Garima, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, good. Good morning. Avinash, are you there? Girish Falmari.
Yes, sir. Avinash is here.
Avinash is there. Okay, good. Rupali. I thought she wrote something. Rupali, are you there?
Hello, yes, I am present.
Okay, good. Chetan Bhusare. Bhusare.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, perfect. Hussein, are you there? I'm just asking to see which groups you want to put to. Tanvi? Okay. I think all the people who are active are present, and there are 5 groups. We want to check whether there are at least 4 people in each group, Girish. Hai kya? Because some people, so when I'm seeing 42 participants, I'm realizing that multiple people, some people have multiple numbers.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Or multiple devices. So it's not 42, it must be much closer. And some people are just not responsive.
Right.
So they are logged in, but not logged in.
Right.
Not present. So I wanted to check, you have a sense that waste mein there are more than 4 people.
Yeah.
Education, there are 4 people.
Yeah.
Energy, 4 people. Agriculture, we have 4 people.
Yeah.
Rural youth, we have 4 people, right?
Yeah, definitely. There'll be minimum 40.
Okay. So what I was thinking, Girish, is that instead of doing the demo, I'll explain what needs to be done.
Sure.
Okay, I think it's fair because the group size is smaller. They will be able to resolve this on their own.
Sure.
Okay. So what we are going to do, can you open that? I'll open. One of the key things, don't open the problem board, just open up the, I want you to create a board for me on Mural, which is the one that, like this, that pen thing, no?
Pen, okay.
Yeah, I want you to put that in all the rooms.
Okay.
Because first we will do brainstorming and taking from what Dr. Tripti shared in the morning. I wanted to give you a certain idea how brainstorming can be done more effectively.
Okay.
Typically, while you're creating that, I'll explain. Typically, when we do brainstorming, when the idea comes, we start analyzing the idea. The first step on brainstorming is not to analyze the idea and just keep on getting the ideas coming. So quantity over quality of the ideas. That's the first thing you should remember. First 10 minutes, try to give you a target. Like I asked you to do 100 ideas in 10 minutes. In the same way, the first step of brainstorming, give yourself 10 minutes to come up with 100 problems. Remember, and I'm going to choose the word very carefully because a lot of people have constructed the problem statement as a solution as a problem statement, creating a platform, giving financial literacy to people. These are all solutions to problems. What is a problem? A problem is something that a user will have. For example, I have a phone. A phone is a solution to what problem? The problem of me not be able to communicate. So before there was a phone, the communication used to go via telegram or to delay in communication. The communication problem is the problem. In the same way, look at every object. If there is that object exists or a service exists to solve, whether the service is provided by the government or by private players or even by our family members, that it exists because it solves a problem. So when you are brainstorming, only thing I want you to remember is ask yourself, is it a problem? Is it a solution? Is it a problem? Is it a solution? But don't worry, even the brainstorming session, just put on your ideas. But just try to put a filter before you put your ideas to the mural. Okay? Here, the first step of brainstorming is quantity over quality. Don't analyze, don't argue. Don't try to convince someone this idea is good. Don't try to convince someone that your idea is not good. Doesn't fit. It's not a problem. It's not a solution. Don't even bother. First, just put it on the wall. Once you put it on the wall, what is the next thing you do? So you're giving yourself a timer, right? Quantity over quality. Don't criticize. Don't try to resolve also. Don't discuss. You're not discussing. You're not criticizing. You're not judging. Nothing. You're just giving first your timer. Okay, I want to work in education. What are the problems that I see in education? And just put it. Put the problems, as many problems as possible. Now, once you put that on the mural board, during the assessment time, next time, you start discussing how crucial that idea is. And we'll use a technique that Dr. Ambu said about, I want to rate this as 1 gram, 10 grams, 100 grams. Okay, so you are going to now rank the idea. Till now, you are not even discussing. You are just ranking the ideas based upon what you think, right? Once that is done, is when you start discussing. So then you can automatically discard the ones which are 1 gram ideas. So you're only discussing the 100 grams idea. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 grams, that list is endless. It's your importance, right? Keep it for 3, very simple. 1 gram, 10 grams, 100 grams. So this is for the ideas. Once these ideas are discussed, then start with the 100 gram idea or 1,000 gram idea and say, this is what we need to discuss. And then ask yourself a question, is this a problem or is it a solution to the problem? All we are doing is problems today. We are going to get ourselves very, very good in understanding what a problem is. So this is not the problem. By our problem statement is not going to come up till quite late. Okay, so this is not the problem statement. We are just beginning to uncover. Is this clear? So 3 steps. Put all the ideas together. First, quantity, then assessment, self-assessment on 10, 100, 1,000. On mural board, you can mural board mein kaisa kariye? Because there are multiple people, you can use color, or you can just type on that. Color can be actually a good way to do, but multiple people will choose multiple colors. Actually, do one thing. As soon as somebody puts it a 1,000 gram idea or a 100 gram idea, in fact, I'm going to tell you not to confuse. Make it 3. 1 gram, 10 grams, 100 grams. Don't use 1,000 grams. Use only 3 layers. 1 gram, 10 gram, 100 grams. And even if one person says that a 100 gram idea, that's fine. Don't try to argue कि 100 gram idea नहीं है, ये 10 gram idea नहीं है, इतना important नहीं है वगैरह. Once you have done, once all the and for that you can use the mural colors separately. 100 grams. Can you show me? Girish?
हाँ Deepak ji. Should I share my screen?
Can you share your screen? I will just maybe easier for people to understand. Yeah. तो brainstorming में, problem brainstorming में, let's say we talk about, we want to, what could be a problem that we are looking to identify. I'm trying to pick up a problem which is not among any of these things. Let me pick up not waste, not education, not energy, not agriculture, not rural youth. What can we use? A simple idea.
Online teaching.
Yeah, but it could come up in education. That's why I didn't want to use that.
Medical.
Medical. Health. Okay, health. We'll choose health. Because that does not come here, okay? With the health domain, what is the problem that we face? Give me some problems that you guys have. Let's do it. Let's for ourselves. Forget about other people. What is the problem that people have? What's the problem that people have in health? Quality of diagnostics is not good. Girish?
Huh?
Oh, just use a mural for that. One
Yeah.
post it.
Quality of
Healthcare. I mean, it's not broad. I'm just saying put it broad at this point. Doesn't matter. I don't get that. I in Bangalore don't get good quality healthcare. Girish, what's your health problem in life? What do you
I-
want to see?
like long queues in hospitals, like to
Okay,
navigate.
Right, that long queues in hospitals. So that's the problem. You have a problem. Correct?
Uniform charges are not there.
Uniform charges are not there. Good. See, that's a problem. But actually, that's not a problem. Okay, that's okay. Good enough. It's there. Okay.
It's kind of what Girish has said. You've been made to wait for a long time in hospitals.
Correct.
Maybe longer than required.
Got it.
Yeah, registration to the admission is a long process. And
Correct.
like the history of the patient is it's like manual it is happening.
Good. Manual registration is a long process. Or registration is a long process. Don't even go manual. Registration currently is a long process. Okay.
One more important thing, when patient is admitted, during that time it is necessary to call and inform insurance company, which is very difficult.
Excellent.
Hospitality.
In rural areas. Hello.
Hold on.
Insurance process is tedious.
It's tedious. Good.
Informing actually.
Somebody also said something else.
In rural areas,
Yeah.
there is not availability of higher
Expertise.
higher technologic machines.
Infrastructure, availability of health infrastructure in
Not tech and infrastructure, sir. It's like
medical devices.
yes, medical.
Availability of medical devices in rural areas.
Good.
Lack of ambulance. Ambulance is not available in anywhere.
Ambulance is not.
But what's the problem?
So issue is that
Again, ambulance is solution.
fully whatever that the ventilator, whatever oxygens that required, it is not available.
Correct.
Particular rural
Correct.
areas of ambulance.
अभी के लिए डाल दो. The actual problem is lack of access. That's okay.
Availability of-
Okay.
Also, oxygen plants, they are not in sufficient quantity in rural areas also.
medical devices, I think that would cover.
Yeah.
Lack of vaccines, medicines.
Lack of medicines and
But Girish, this what you did is right now is exactly what we don't want to do.
okay.
Don't filter.
Right.
Okay.
right.
What did he say? क्या बोले?
He said oxygen plants.
Yes. Oxygen plants in rural areas. So don't filter any ideas coming. अच्छा पहला हुआ है नहीं हुआ doesn't matter. डालते रहो. बाद में तुम
So less.
Sorry.
Number of expertise, for example, specializations like a neurologist, orthologist.
Correct. Specialists are not there in rural areas.
Package systems floated by big hospitals is a problem.
The lack of transparency between doctor and patient.
Okay, we'll put that.
What is this? Lack of interaction? Transparency.
Yes.
Transparency between doctor and patient.
So one, it can be, I don't know, lack of multi-speciality units. I mean, some of the facilities are there, but some of them are still not there.
Can everybody go on mute, please? Girish, can you put everybody on mute?
Yeah, just one second.
And open up who was speaking.
If you can just unmute yourself, people see.
Yeah, okay.
One more thing I feel.
Yeah.
Sir, yes. Should I speak?
Yes, Garima, speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, lack of multi-speciality units, because I just wanted to say, because some of the facilities are there, but still, if you are especially having neuro problems, you won't be having that facility. So that kind of.
Sorry. By mistake, but sorry.
So, am I clear now?
Yes. Yeah. Lack of multi-specialty hospitals.
Multi-specialty units.
Hospitals.
Sir, lack of knowledge.
It will be a little bit more specific.
About the drugs and about the disease, actually.
Who?
Means, not able
knowledge
to,
किसको नहीं है?
Not able to detect the particular disease.
Okay. So basically,
due to lack of knowledge.
Patients.
Lack of knowledge by the medical staff, you mean, no? So
yes.
It's poor assessment by doctors.
Yes.
Poor diagnosis. Assessment.
I think some people have also messaged here.
Sir, in case of
trust onto the policies.
Lack of enough health insurance.
Exorbitant cost in private hospitals.
In case of private hospitals, too many layers between patient and the doctor.
Yeah, Ratnaprasad, today when you're speaking now, it's echoing. You have to check whether both the devices are on. If you're on two devices.
No, sir.
Yeah, but today we are not able to decipher what you're saying.
Am I clear now?
Yeah, better, yes.
Yeah. Actually, in case of a corporate hospital, I mean, there are way too many layers between a patient and a doctor.
Yeah, okay. Too many layers between patient and doctor. Sandeep Jadhav, people don't have enough healthcare. Rupali is saying. Lack of regulation of private hospitals, Dr. Anita said before. Lack of regulation of private sector hospitals. But you see, this is all
cleanliness issues in hospitals.
Yes.
Yeah. Quality of food given to the patients.
Yeah. Hold on. We'll see whether this has already been written before we move to the other. Quality of
food given to the patients.
Yeah, but before that, somebody mentioned something else, no? Given to patients, lack of regulation. I don't know who it was.
Sir, challenges in hygiene or
cleanliness. Yeah, cleanliness in hospital.
Yes.
Cost of medicine, sir.
Yes, cost of medicine.
Sir, proper monitoring and control. Hello?
Yes. We're writing it.
Monitoring and control of
Everything, whatever the rules they have to follow. There is no proper control, so that they cannot follow the proper guidelines which is given by the government.
of the entire health system.
Entire health system, yes. Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. I'm going to stop at this point because this is only a demo. Okay. Now in this, when you're discussing, Girish, which of the things you really like in this? Now you have to put red color for 100 grams.
Okay.
Got it?
Uh-huh.
Yellow is 1 gram. So that
Right.
doesn't change.
Right.
Okay. If it is 10 grams, it becomes what green.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yellow is 1 gram. Green is 10 grams. Red is 100 grams. Okay.
So this will be, I would say, 100 grams. I will say this also. Grams. Green is 1 gram, you're saying. Green is the least, right? Yellow middle and green is the lowest.
Green is 10, yellow is middle. Yellow is least.
Yellow is least.
You can change color for 5 ideas.
5 ideas. 1, 2.
Otherwise, they remain grams. Otherwise, they're 1 gram. Everything else, but you have only 5 voting rights. Actually, 3, yeah, just for the sake of the exercise. 3. हो गया तेरा, ठीक है? Okay, and I will say now. So green क्या है? 10 grams. I want to say I don't like my idea. What I put, don't want. This long queues in hospital is a problem. I don't like it. So I want it to be green. Can you change it?
You want it to be green.
Correct. Then I want to say, I think this, I can relate. I am a user. I'm only going to talk about an urban youth. I don't know urban person accessing all. That is my view. This registration is, this insurance process is red for me.
Insurance process.
Yeah. Upar. Because this is like killer. Impact is big for me. Long queues I can somehow manage, but insurance process is very, very hassle for me. Then what else is there? One more I can change, Cleanliness in hospital is red for me. Okay. Now when you see, we both have decided different red, different green. When we are discussing, we should start with the red.
So 100 grams is something which is not important or something that is very important?
Most important, very important. Okay. So red is the most important, green is medium important, yellow is not important. So when you start discussing, at least for somebody that red is most important. So it becomes important to listen to that person who is saying why that is the most important to that person. Right? So we are not discussing ideas. Even if one person thinks it's very important to incorporate that. Got it? Because one person may give you the question that all of you will resonate. Quantity is just to put it in. Quality, person who puts one thing can also produce the idea that everybody else also resonates with. Remember, we are learning here. This is not to get it right. This is just to get to one problem that all of you don't mind working on. Your idea may have been the best, according to you. Like my idea, I think, is the best. But I want to, and that is actually very difficult. You have to critically examine. Once you put the idea on the board, it no longer becomes your idea. You have to objectively assess that idea alongside the other ideas that have come on the board. I'll repeat again, once your idea is on the board, it is not your idea. You have to objectively now see, okay, how does this idea fit with the other ideas that have come? Is this clear? I'm assuming it's clear. Unfortunately, I can't see body language. I'm assuming it's going to be clear unless it is not clear. If you come to this point in your groups, remember what are the 4-5 rules? Quantity over quality in the initial first 10-15 minutes. Okay? Don't criticize, don't resolve, don't filter first. Then give a timer for yourself, right? 5-15 minutes mein ek 100 idea nikalna hai. Give that, like what we did for the pen idea. Put the pressure on yourself. During assessment time, give it 1 gram, 10 grams, 100 grams. How will you do that? Importance by red, green, and yellow stickers. Got it? Once you come to this, right? My suggestion is you will come to a point where you are understanding the problem a little more. You are not talking anymore of 100 ideas. You are now only talking maybe 3-4 ideas. After discussing, then downgrade some of the ideas to yellow, from green to yellow, red to green, so that you have only 3 ideas in problems that you have. Okay, don't make it 1 at this point. Just make it 3. Or if you have 1, great. But if you cannot resolve between you amongst yourself, that's also fine. But if you get 1, very, very good. Okay. If you don't get 1, we'll work with 3. We'll work, but at least don't go more than 3. So amongst yourself, then somebody has to say, "No, no, meko idea chahiye hi chahiye." So then you say, "Yeah, but look at it. All the other ideas also there. Which are the ideas? Choose." Then go for voting. Everybody votes. So do this process. Learn to disagree without being disagreeable. Okay. But the process you understood. First, brainstorming. Get as many ideas on the table. Rate the ideas on green, red, and this in a log scale. Remember, log scale means red ka jo ideas hai is 10 times better for you than the green ideas, and the green ideas is 10 times better for you than the ones in yellow. They are not linear, not 1, 2, 3. It is 100, 10, 1. Once you come to the point, then let's discuss amongst yourselves which of the ideas get the inside of the problem. कि problem क्या है? कि long queue है? Problem क्या है? What is the problem? Why long queues exist? Problem क्या है? You're not thinking solution. Don't say अच्छा हम token system करना था, तो online I'll create a token system. You are not there yet. You are trying to still understand the problem. What is the lack of the problem? Sorry, what is the problem? What is the nature of the problem? Understand the problem from the inside. Okay. Any questions you have, you can let me know. But I suggest for now, you go into breakout groups, and Girish, you have to give them this brainstorming tool. Okay. Itna karne ke baad na, how much time should we give for this, Girish?
Half an hour.
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Yeah. So you all have 30 minutes. You know your groups. You know whether you're going to waste, education, energy, agriculture, and rural youth. These are only 5 ones that are there. We have taken away from yesterday FMCG. We have taken away financial literacy because there's just not enough people. So if I saw Rupali joining, Rupali, you'll have to make a choice now to go to waste, education, energy, agriculture, rural. In the breakout rooms, you will see the options.
Right, sir.
Okay. Because you want to have 4 or 5 people. Otherwise, between a pair, it's very easy to solve problems. You want to be able to understand the difficulty when you're doing complex problem solving.
Right, sir. I understand.
Okay.
And
so,
just some instructions for the breakout room. What we'll be doing is giving you the option to go into the rooms. So you have to know which room you want to enter. You just click on that room and join, right? So I will not be assigning. You have to choose the room and join.
Okay.
Girish, sir.
Yeah.
Can I make mural links for the different groups so that we can post the ideas?
Yeah. We will be sharing the links, mural links.
So Girish, you will be sending the mural links to everybody separately?
Yeah. Just 1 second.
So there's a difference from yesterday. We are going to create rooms for you, not just murals. In one room, there are going to be multiple murals. Girish, ye na, put that into murals rooms first. बाकी rooms बनाया अपन ने mural में.
एक second.
Because now the reason I that okay, you make the thing, Girish. I'll explain to the group. Now what's going to happen? We keep hearing about a non-linear process. What does a non-linear process mean? A non-linear process means you're going to go when you're doing a problem. What are a few things that we'll do today? I will explain.
Just 1 second, Deepak ji. Whoever is co-host, please don't click the breakout room options. The co-hosts, Limkar sir, Patil sir, Sonali Patil madam. Someone is creating the breakout rooms. So just request you not to. I will be creating the breakout rooms. So just request not to. Go ahead, Deepak ji.
Okay. Where was I? Yeah, what are we going to do? We are going to explore few problems. Then we are going to call people. We have telephone people who are users. The users that we are saying. So if suppose somebody is working on rural youth, then hopefully you know somebody who's a rural youth, or you know somebody who knows somebody who's a rural youth, or some of one of the community here can help you talk to someone who's a rural youth. You're going to call and you're going to do interviews. I'll explain what you should do in the interviews, what you should look out for. How do you assess an interview? How to watch out for stories or anecdotes the interviews will share, how to capture it, how to ask a question wherein a story will come, how to listen for empathy, how to listen for the other person, how to put yourself in the other person's shoes, what kind of questions will elicit an open response, what will elicit a closed response, things like that. Fairly simple, you just have to keep it in mind. Once the interviews are over, you will put it in another mural board of what you learn from the users. Then we are going to create a persona profile. A persona profile is this human being. What does he do? What is he saying? What does he? What are his goals in life? What is he most worried about? Things like that. Once you get the persona profile, we are going to start doing what is called as an empathy map, which is not only in doing what he does, what does he do, what does he think, but what does he feel? Okay. So sometimes what he's saying is not what he's feeling. And there you'll take a leap of faith. But after all these things, although it looks like a linear circle, you will realize that it could बैठ नहीं रहा है. It's not working. Then you go back to your problem statement. Or you go back to your profile, persona profile. What is missing? Or you go back to user interview, call a few more users, look at your interview notes. तो क्या बोला था इसमें बैठ क्यों नहीं रहा है? What is it? तो ऐसा करके एक empathy map बनेगा at the end of it. That empathy map will help you create what is called as point of view. That is your clear definition of your problem. It is so sharp that you can cut a fruit with it. Okay, a very, very clear कि ये sharp है कि what is the problem to be solved, for whom, for what current problem, for what solution. To come at that point, we have to go through multiple steps. Even after you come to a POV, point of view, then you will do the brainstorming for solutions. Once you brainstorm for solutions, then you will, once you come up with a solution, then you'll make it into a coherent story. Because we cannot do any other form of prototyping today, or especially online. So what we'll do is, what is my story here? If I do this, then this will happen, this guy will solve the particular problem. If this happens, then what happens? Once that is done and you all believe that this makes reasonable sense, you will again go back to your user and say, this is what we think. मैंने ये सोचा है, what do you think? कि if I do this, your problem will get solved. Then the user may say, oh, this is exactly what I was looking for. Or the user say, no, that won't work because. Then you say, oh, okay, I have to go back to my prototyping stage. But if I cannot go back to the prototyping stage unless I change the point of view, I cannot go back to the point of view unless I start doing the interviews again, doing the persona profile again, the empathy map again, and understand the problem a little bit more clearly. So when people say a linear process, it means there's a step. A non-linear process means everything happens at the same time or can happen at the same time. You get clarity. Once you get a clarity here, everything becomes clear. But when things are not working, you have to try out, be experimental, and go back to the drawing board many times. So that's the nature of a discovery process. It's not clean. It's not neat. So for the next 2 days, this is what we are going to focus on. But where do we get started? What is the broad idea of the problem that we want to work on? What is the broad idea of and for whom are we solving this problem? ये दोनों हमको clear होना है. Because इसके बाद there's another one thing, exercise that I'll make you do. But for now, get the problem statement right. Okay, this is still very broad. This is not a POV. This is not sharp. This is blunt. That's okay. हम वहीं तक ही पहुंचे हैं. मैं और बोलूंगा तो डर जाएंगे. तो can you get people into groups?
Yeah.
Just think of 3 things. Brainstorm. Evaluate by giving red, green. Discuss the red ones first. Green ones first. If the red is not red anymore, put it into green or yellow. From green, put it to yellow. Once you have discussed everything, then some things will be continuously be red. Then you see, अच्छा 3 red आया, इसमें से हम एक choose कर सकते हैं क्या? And if you come to that, that's great. If you come only to 3, that's also fine. If you come to 2, that's also fine. Because then we'll eliminate. We have to eliminate. We can only work on one problem. If you come in the problem now, great. Otherwise, we'll have to come at that stage later in the game.
So I will start the breakout rooms. Also, just a
have you done the mural rooms?
Yeah, with the brainstorming template, right?
Be clear, brainstorming template.
There are 5 rooms with each of the sector names, along with all the including the brainstorming.
Yes. SRM sir, I see you. We have for the group that you were working yesterday, there are only 2 people. So I request you to join any one of the other rooms, which is waste, education, energy, agriculture, and rural youth. Shushma has gone to agriculture. Okay. Are the rooms open, Girish?
Yeah, the rooms are open now.
The rooms are open. Please, you know the rooms. Please join the rooms that you belong to.
Sir, once again, can you tell the groups?
It is waste.
Okay,
education.
I joined the waste.
Yes, you can join the waste. Okay. मेरे को एक ही रूम दिख रहा है
Yeah, I don't know. I just created it. I didn't even open the rooms. Some of the other co-hosts are creating the.
एक काम कर. सब rooms बंद कर दे. Close all rooms. Close all rooms.
Yeah, I've closed all the rooms.
Okay. Now, can you now start again?
No, just 1 second. I'll create the breakout rooms again.
All the other co-facilitators who have the right to open breakout rooms,
please don't.
Please don't touch.
So someone is. Some co-host is creating the breakout room again and again, and it's beyond my.
You can just hold on to those co-hosts. Instead of that, keep only a host, and then you can create the rooms.
Okay, I'll give co-host permission later. Limkar sir, just for this, I'm just removing the co-host permission, and then I will add it again.
No problem, sir. Once we create the breakout rooms once again, after that we can record it.
Yeah.
So after making breakout rooms,
we can't do co-host after creating a breakout room. So I'll just request.
I know. That's why I did not suggest that, because you cannot do that. So you
just
already
request
explained many times.
Yeah.
You
now
start. You
I'm just going to
create
quickly going to do it. Just give me a moment. All the co-hosts, please don't change it.
Deepak sir, if suppose you left by any chance, then how to re-enter again in that room? Means yesterday I was at the end of the session during.
No, then you come to the main Zoom session. Okay, we will once you come to the main room session, you will see the breakout rooms.
Or you come here, we will assign you anyway. So
that
in
is-
case you still fail.
Is it cancelled now, the breakout rooms?
No, we're just starting it, not yet created it. Almost done. Yeah. Now I'm going to be opening all the rooms. 30 minutes time. And yeah, now I'm opening all.
So we'll be back at 10:37 back in the plenary. Okay?
Yeah.
Please join the breakout rooms. It's open for you to join. Room 1 is waste management, room 2 is education, room 3 is rural youth, room 4 is energy, room 5 is agriculture. Kindly move to your breakout rooms.
Sir, we are able to see the breakout rooms over here. Can I join over there?
Yeah. Join the respective group which you would like to go.
If you have 2 mobile phones, 2 devices, please take both the devices to the breakout room.
Sir, I'm
Others-
not able to see the breakout room.
Are you on, Sushma, are you on phone?
No, sir, I'm in laptop.
आपको नीचे breakout room, you can't see the breakout room.
I will assign you then in case you are not
Okay.
able to.
Yeah,
She is in agriculture.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see it now. Yeah. Okay, perfect.
Sir, on my also device also, I'm not able to get that breakout room.
Yeah, I will.
Dr. Garima, education.
But my
Doctor.
name is not mentioned in the agriculture. That is what.
Dr. Garima in education, right?
Yes.
Room 2.
Sir, in agriculture, I cannot see my name. I can see the breakout room. Only GR Patil sir name is there.
I will just add you there to agriculture, room 5.
Because Dr. Meenal, even mine, I am not able to enter.
Dr. Meenal, I just
Education.
education done.
And Dr. Tripti, I am also not able to enter
And you have which group are you?
education.
Education.
Dr. Tripti, education done.
Even I am not Anita here. Girish sir.
This is Anita, Dr. Anita Bobde.
Yes, that's right.
You are in which room? Education.
Education.
Yeah, assigned.
Sir, Dr. Garima, I told you. Education.
Yeah, done.
Others? Pawan?
Yes, I was in education.
Yeah. Can you put Pawan in education, Girish?
Yeah, others please join. Choose the room and join the respective rooms.
Rupali?
Sir, I don't know which room I am in.
Which room do you want to go to? Waste management, education, rural youth, energy, agriculture.
Rural youth will do, sir.
Okay.
How to join, sir?
I have assigned you.
Girish,
I have done it.
Smita?
Others, please choose a room and join a respective room.
Smita, Uttam, Virendra Kumar Khed, Girish, Chetan Bhusare, Dr. H.H. Pawar, Deepak Patil. Deepak, you have to go to waste, no? Hi, Dr. Patil, Deepak Patil, Deepti Tamboli, Professor Bhaskar Gaikwad. SRM you have to put in waste.
Is he on call right now?
Yeah, he's on call right now. SRM, are you here or are you in the waste room also?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
You
I
want
put
to go
you
to waste.
waste management,
Waste.
right? Should I put him in waste?
Yes.
You can put me in the waste or education, no issue. Waste.
Yeah. Prashant Bhandare.
Bandare, he said, someone said, Deepti ji said energy.
Energy. Rahul Agriculture.
Sir, I want to go in rural group.
Rural. Rural youth. Prashant is waste management. Yeah.
Dr. Dinesh. Dr. Dinesh Chandwadkar. वंदना वंदना कौन से ग्रुप में थी?
Sir, Vandana Bagal ma'am is there in West Management, I think.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good
I am
morning.
in Waste Management group.
But you are also there in Pune.
No, I was assigned her to waste management.
Okay, okay.
Hello, sir. Myself, Rupali. I am also there in West Management.
Are you on two devices, Rupali?
Yes, sir. Recently, I have joined from computer.
Okay.
So I will put that also.
Yeah. Teresa, which group are you in? SS Patil. Madam Shivsagar. She had. कौन है? दीपक पाटिल दो बार है क्या? क्या नहीं है अभी? Okay, we are assuming that they are not joining because if they were interested, they would have told us. So Girish, once they come back with the problems, right? What we want them to do is to be able to go to the next. वो जो अपन ने problem ये बनाया था ना?
Problem board, right?
Problem board. So don't put the problem board in the rooms now.
Right.
Because once you put it, their attention will go there.
Sure.
Let them work on one wheel at a time. ये होने के बाद then we'll put it there. Okay? Problem board में. Problem board के बाद इनका अभी कितना हुआ? Half an hour. 10:47. 1:39. So according to our schedule, we should have finished problem board by now.
Yeah, problem board by now and then sharings. Yeah.
Okay. तो नहीं होगा वो.
So they come back to the plenary and go back to.
Yeah, because if you don't define this very well, their problem board will not get done.
Right.
So by now we should be able to say, okay, which are the areas that you really want to work on. Once they have a broad idea कि किस पे काम करना है, then we'll get them to work on the अच्छा who, what, when, where और वगैरह problems. Right. So that's again one technique. उससे थोड़ा और clarity आता है. वो clarity आने के बाद we'll get them to do user interviews.
Right.
वो user interviews के बाद तो उसके बाद एक clarity किससे बात करना है, who कौन है.
Hey everybody, breakout room is closing in 37 seconds.
Mr. Girish?
ये पता नहीं like एक second this again I think some co-host has I'll just remove the other co-host.
Yeah, Girish, this is not working for us here. The co-hosts are not being we will not get recording. That's your problem, no?
नहीं ठीक है, we'll manage. Like.
तो अभी again now we'll spend another 15 minutes getting everybody into rooms.
Sir, the breakout rooms are closed.
Yes, that's a mistake. Yeah, I know. We are aware. We are resolving it. Can you take the facilitation right from everybody except
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We are there's some problem with the breakout rooms. We are going to reassign. You know your rooms. Girish will recreate those rooms. 30 minutes करना है.
Right.
किया है?
Just 1 second. 30 minutes. Yeah.
30 minutes.
Opening all the rooms.
Please, the rooms are again open. Sorry for this. Kindly go back into your rooms. You know your rooms. Please go back. ये चक्कर है, को facilitation नहीं कर पाएंगे. Because only one person has to make a mistake for all of it to do. और उसमें mistake का chances बहुत है. कुछ कर दिया, मैंने close कर दिया. I wanted to leave. मैं leave करते-करते मैंने close कर दिया सब room. So चक्कर वो है.
So I just kept Akanksha and Swastika and you.
Yeah. नहीं record हुआ तो नहीं record हुआ.
नहीं ठीक है, वो manage करने.
प्रशांत भंडारे wanted to be somewhere, no? दीपक पाटिल तो 2 है शायद, या फिर चले गए हैं. क्षीरसागर उत्तम तो ऑन करके चला गया है. Is उत्तम यालमर from Sweri? उत्तम गिरीश, फलमारी, वीरेंद्र कुमार खेद.
I think Girish ji is from Sweri only.
Okay, then he's probably a non-participating volunteer. पता नहीं मेरे को. Manish Arora is new. Manish, do you know your group? Dr. Kannan is scheduled to come?
Yeah.
11:30, no?
11:30.
तो अपने को 11:30 आने के लिए हमको sharp 11 o'clock को breakout करना ही है. Whichever position they are in. Yesterday's idea Akanksha was sharing, no? वो एक बार unfortunately first time करने के time ना you may still have to go to series. When you do the POV, then you can go back and say अच्छा अभी ये clear नहीं है या फिर अब next जाना है. अब then you can do multiple times.
Right.
तो problem statement clear ठोकेंगे नहीं तो फिर वो we'll get into wrong user profiles. Few user profile. Now what ideally if they come up with one problem and have multiple users, that is going to be the real interesting time. Then we can talk to multiple
Someone
users.
has asked for help in room 5. Do you think I'll just jump in and
I can go?
हाँ आप जाओ ना, आप co-host हो. Room 5 GR Patil asked for help.
Okay. Mural है सबके पास?
Akanksha is doing that. She's hopping. I think she would have shared it.
How do I go to room 5?
You just have to click on breakout room and वो join करके होगा ऊपर, ना?
मेरे को नहीं है.
आप co-host हो ना? नहीं, you've opened breakout room option. Do you see room 1 waste management उसके पास में join करके है?
मेरे को नहीं है.
How is that? Why is that?
कौन है उसमें? ग्रुप में कौन है?
That is agriculture. 4 people are there.
So they want me to come there?
They just wanted help, yeah.
Join. I saw that. Join room 5 agriculture, yes.
Okay. I jumped to every room and all tables are working.
Yeah.
People have started brainstorming also in every room.
Super, super. Yeah, everyone has their murals also.
Yes, everyone has their murals.
Just jump now and then to take like bites of each of the rooms.
I'll be doing that.
Yeah.
Girish,
Super.
if I leave a room, will it be over? Like the
No.
session?
No.
No.
Your recording session will be over.
Don't touch the breakout room option, बस वही है. You can jump rooms, but make sure you stay clear of that breakout room button.
Okay.
Abhi 5 minutes back, someone accidentally did a close. Some co-host.
Yeah.
So I've kept only you two as a co-host right now.
Okay.
So we are running a little bit behind schedule, right?
I know. That's what me and Dikpaj were discussing.
It's okay. I mean, we could extend it a little bit longer and finish
No,
what we do today.
Deepak ji said we'll cover up like.
Okay.
Anyone here on this call, in case they want to join a breakout room, do tell me. If someone is active, present here, किसी को अगर breakout room join करना है, तो बता दीजिए.
There's so many people in the waste management room and only 4 people in the energy room. Maybe you can push some of the people here into the energy room.
No, they're not present here. Many of the people. हाँ दीपक जी, you able to? You're on mute. All the groups are active and they are working on their murals right now.
Patil sir had a problem that he couldn't. His mural link was not working. He's using laptop and Chrome.
So yes, this is happening with a few people where they're not able to access a visitor's link. So right now I've just told any one participant, even if it is opening for one person in the group, that person can open it and share their screen while others brainstorm. So the people who aren't able to access the visitors link, yesterday I resolved their problem by inviting them onto that particular mural, and they were able to access it.
You said okay. This is by email, huh? You invited them by email?
Yeah. So email.
Okay. So Patil sir को वो mural link कर देना ना गिरीश. First you do that. Oh, Akansha can do it. Akansha, you have the email ID, no?
Sorry?
He's in agriculture.
He's in
agriculture. Agriculture का mural link, you just again email it to Patil sir.
I will have to take his email ID and invite him to the link.
Yeah. Just go to that.
Jump into the room and I'll find
yeah, you can just go to that room.
And then the second thing was Girish. Mural का जो link है ना. Some people are in wrong links. Okay. What you want to broadcast to people is this idea. If for some reason it will be better if it will be a good practice if one of you shares your screen while editing the mural. So people whose links are not opening can also see what is happening. You can broadcast that as a tip. TIP. So a few people are joining now. Mr. Sanjay Sawant, can you hear me?
No one here is active. I just did a call when you were gone.
You did a call me?
Like when you were away, I just tried reaching out. No one is here.
That's okay. brainstorming techniques.
Yeah, the murals are getting populated.
Getting populated, no?
I
In the
think
breakout rooms, no, some rooms waste में भी सब लोग हैं, अभी waste तो बंद ही करना है, ठीक है? Education में 7 है, rural youth में 7 है, energy में 4 है, agriculture में 4 है. अभी people who join after lunch कुछ होगा ना, इनको अभी option energy और agriculture का देना है.
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay.
Yeah, only that group 5 population अभी slowly शुरू हो रहा है.
It's also an indication what kind of things, like yesterday also, Akansha gives an example of waste management.
Right.
How much it affects our life and how little we think about it on a regular basis.
Yeah.
I'm really liking this rural development group. You guys should check it.
Okay, sure. Which group?
Rural development. Sir.
Rural youth.
Okay.
Wow, they're really populated, huh?
How do I look? Give me a link now, Girish.
No, you can just jump to the rooms. Like mural में जो room है, उसमें आप first mural होगा brainstorming या copy of brainstorming करके. You can see the murals that.
No, when I have so many murals open up, no.
No, if you see the rooms, open rooms that are created, उसमें मैंने
agriculture ही है. अच्छा, 2 more है.
हाँ, you can see that, right? I think only agriculture one is being populated very slowly.
तो मेरे को agriculture open दिख रहा है.
नहीं
गिरीश रूम में बनाया तूने.
नहीं, don't go to Girish's room. Open rooms करके है ना नीचे.
Correct. उसमें मेरे को for some reason मेरे को सिर्फ agriculture ही दिख रहा है.
नहीं वो you can see more करके होगा नीचे. When you see rooms.
नहीं. Sorry. वो reflect नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
I refreshed it.
Yeah.
Which one was this? Rural youth.
हाँ, rural youth.
Copy of brainstorming बनाया है क्या?
हाँ.
Education क्या हुआ? किधर है यार?
आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो, मैं बताता हूँ.
हाँ,
ये लेफ्ट में दिख रहा है 5 रूम. 1 2 3 4. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग प्रॉब्लम्स क्लिक करो.
ओके.
Hi.
Yeah, Kanksha.
One group has already finished their brainstorming, right?
नहीं, let them continue.
They have to then do the other part, no? वो रेड करने का है, ब्लू करने का है. तो एक ही काम किया उन्होंने.
हाँ, tell the groups this also. Like you have to highlight the problems also.
हाँ,
No, don't worry. Don't complicate them. उनको पता है, नहीं पता है तो we will see.
Not this mural, yeah. Go back to the room. The other mural, brainstorming problems, yes.
काय ग?
वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट इधर 17 लोग कितना करते हैं देखते हैं ना.
बहुत है वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट में.
नहीं तो
एक सेकेंड,
ये वाला है.
Maybe if the waste management group wants to like divide themselves into two, also it could be.
That also we can do. I saw that. But there are 17 people, no?
Yeah.
But another thing with waste management is अगर आप उनके solutions देखोगे, ये अपने आप कट जाएगा.
हाँ वो ठीक है. That's not an issue. Join room 5 agriculture. Brainstorming problems. म्यूरल में ना वो उसको अपडेट करने को टाइम लगता है. देखा तो थोड़ा वो प्रीव्यू में दिखता नहीं कौन कर रहा है करके.
नहीं वो अंदर जाना पड़ता है.
नहीं आफ्टर सम टाइम ना वो बाहर से दिखता है.
Girish, how much time is left?
बोलो they are not even close.
Okay.
नहीं अभी नया हाफ एन आवर करने के बाद कितना टाइम लगा?
I don't know, अभी टाइमर नहीं आ रहा ब्रेकआउट रूम्स में. Like as in progress करके दिखा रहा है, but
अच्छा.
देखो ही दिखेगा ना एक्चुअली.
हाँ.
नहीं, I think you guys also, generally every room will have that timer going on the top.
Okay. देखो दिखेगा रे. नहीं
सर मुझे
नहीं सबको दिखता है जनरली, बट then we'll do the, as soon as they come back, we do the sharings on the plenary or send them for
no. We have to see how much. See, what we don't know is how much they can progress in 30 minutes.
Okay.
Right? Because every group is different.
Right.
So let's say if you were to do with senior entrepreneurs, फट कितना problem set पर निकलेगा पता है? Because they are in that immersive space where they are just listening to problems all the time. Whereas यहाँ पे what we don't know is how much time it takes them. Which is why I'm thinking. Is Dr. Kannan also from Wheels?
Yeah, he's a Wheels program.
कल बात नहीं किया आपने उनके बारे में? तो बोर्ड मेंबर या बात किए थे? In the breakout room, I cannot create a new timer. They have to use a timer on mural. A visitor cannot create the timer. एक complex है. Only you can create only the facilitator can create a timer. ये सब है ना, if it was in person,
it was so easy, much smoother.
So easy. It would have been just taking us 2 days to do the entire thing. Online में बहुत challenging है सब. Actually, it's okay. That's fine. Meaning we could have now we're getting people from across without them having to travel. तो सबका benefit है. We have to design it properly. उतना ही है.
Division जी has also joined the energy में है अभी.
अच्छा. Sustainx का idea निकाल सकते हैं. अरे.
For energy, right? Let's see.
तू निकल नहीं सकता गिरीश.
नहीं मैं नहीं मैं I'm just checking out the mural. Nice. Wow. अच्छा है रूम पर का.
हाँ ये तो पता नहीं ना कि वो प्रॉब्लम है. 2-3 चीजें का इतना रूरल यूथ में इतना ओवर आर्चिंग है ना. दैट इज नॉट प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट.
नहीं
that's okay.
They are more power generation distribution type पे चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
Electricity distribution, inadequate energy supply, erratic voltage levels, voltage fluctuations, frequent power outages.
एनर्जी में भी सिमिलर पॉइंट्स हैं.
एनर्जी तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा मुझे लगा रूरल डेवलपमेंट बोल रहे हो.
नहीं. Gaurav Shirsat, due to medical issues, I am unable to attend today's session. WhatsApp message.
ठीक है. Get well. अभी जो अभी रूम्स में है.
हाँ.
वही एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट्स है.
हाँ वही.
16 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 10 plus 16 10 plus 15 10 plus 15 25 plus 10 is 34 participants. उसमें से आकांक्षा और ये भी है ना. डॉक्टर पवार ये भी होंगे. तो 30 लोग हैं. वेल डन गिरीश. 200 तो तूने 30 लेके आया. No, this is a great number.
I think it's a good number. I love the inputs that have been shared on all the murals.
Because a small intimate group is great.
Is great, yeah.
Right. But you also want it to be slightly big because otherwise problems get resolved very fast. You want to know how to resolve problems in a group of 7 to 8 people.
Right.
तो जैसे 16 में से 2 है ना. उनको ब्रेक भी कर सकते. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और जिसको वेस्ट पसंद नहीं आया वो एग्रीकल्चर ज्वाइन कर सकता है. एग्रीकल्चर में 2-3 लोग ही है.
एग्रीकल्चर में 4 लोग हैं अभी टोटली.
हाँ लेकिन पाटिल सुषमा और एक और ही एक्टिव है. Anyway, we'll see.
One Rahul Khadse, Rahul Nagane, Gunjal and Sushma Prashant and GR Patel. 5 people.
और ये एग्रीकल्चर में उनको पुश करना है. जो भी आएंगे ना दोपहर को या फिर इसमें we can push them there. ठीक है. क्या करें अभी नेक्स्ट. नींद आ रहा है मेरे को. हाय. क्या करना है अभी अपने को नेक्स्ट.
What time should we close the rooms? I don't know if without timer. नहीं without timer तो होता ही नहीं है break room. Timer नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. I think we still have time.
Don't bother. They are not anywhere there. At least when I looked at the murals, they are nowhere close.
Okay.
So that's a way to give people time to do it on online.
Mm-hmm.
Online, everything is slower, much slower.
Right. Yeah.
New tool, new method, कुछ clear दिखता नहीं है, समझ में body language is not there. So we have to take that into account while designing the time taken for it.
So,
Yes, Akanksha?
I was listening that you were discussing to push people into agriculture in the afternoon.
Yeah.
People join. Agriculture is a group, and even energy. Energy also has only 4 people in it. Both these have 4 people in it.
Energy को वो energy देना होगा. हमने actually गलती किया when a lot of people said waste. Told them to waste में 18 people है. We will actually divide that group into 2. You're right.
अगर 2 group बनेगा तो at least 2 different ideas पे work कर सकते हैं. If they want. So 2 priorities.
People started returning back?
No one's returning back.
Tanvi is here. Because she may have logged in on 2 devices. अच्छा वो भी है. Of people who are on that, there may be multiple devices also on that. So it's not actually 35. It's lower, much lower.
Yep.
For our filtering criteria in the emissions, this was not even strong enough, Girish. Next time we'll get like faculty principals letter chahiye, saying that you have taken leave and you are available for all these 5 days. ऐसा कुछ तो करना होगा. They're not able to do both. They have a faculty requirement. All the design, entire 5-day actual design itself is wrong. No, इतना लोग को तो अच्छा लगा, लेकिन कोई लोग को तो अच्छा लगा वो है यहाँ पे. But a lot of people are just keeping that thing on and they're just not there. I wonder what is the point of it. But it is working. The system is perfect. It is there. The solution is there for a problem that they have.
So at the end of the day, how are we going to?
Girish, you're on mute, huh?
Oh, I think someone is saying something.
Akanksha.
So how are we going?
Your voice is very feeble, huh? Akanksha, not able to hear you.
Oh, is it? 1 second. Is it better now?
No. But you can speak.
So the point is that people are logging into the meeting because they know that one of the ways to know if they attended the meeting was Zoom में खाली backend से हम लोग attendance retrieve करते हैं. So whoever was on the meeting, we'll assume that they were present.
Correct. Because that's how other FDP programs must be there, no? They must be getting the certificate based upon how everybody backend में check करके देखिए इतने लोग हैं तो फिर they must have
How much more time should we give for the breakout room?
And there's nothing we can do. They will not be. Yeah, we'll keep it. We'll have to hasten everything together in one neuron.
Sure.
कल आकांक्षा बोल रही थी ना यूजर इंटरव्यूज एंड प्रोफाइल साथ में कराएंगे इनको.
Right.
एक बार वो साथ में आ गया. So from there we are always looking for stories, looking for this. इंटरव्यू में ये किया वो हुआ. इससे मेरे को क्या लग रहा है?
एक काम करते हैं सर, ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज करते हैं कि 11 to 11:30 is the break. Use this time to do the activity, and we'll reconvene at 11:30 to discuss.
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
I feel since that there is 10 minutes, I think we can do a 10-minute like a glance at all the murals together.
But are they going to come back in 2 minutes?
Yeah, I mean, we can close the rooms and get people back.
No? अभी कितना हुआ टाइम मुझे पता नहीं ना.
No, I can see the murals. Like all the groups are fairly well populated now.
Red हुआ है क्या?
वो red नहीं हुआ, वो चल रहा है.
One question. Are we board?
Your audio is not coming. अभी भी थोड़ा challenge है.
Type कर दो.
Type it only to me. Yeah?
You don't have a headphone, Akanksha? एक ऐसा वाला मेरा वाला मत लेने का जरूरत है. ये actually was not a great idea. एक ऐसा वाला आता है देखो Microsoft का वो ईयरफोन वाला.
Red 100, green 10. Someone has messaged me.
Red?
100 reds and 10 greens and 1 yellow. Oh, okay.
Rural team. Yeah.
Okay. That's the thing, right? 100 red, green is 10 and yellow is 1.
Yeah.
Yes.
100 reds, huh?
No, as in 100 grams is red. 100 grams is red.
Yeah. 1% yellow.
No, we want to give them a break so that they can go at 11:30. गिरीश ये अगर रात को किए होते तो? रात को किए होते तो? Like 5 to 8. But we could not have squeezed in 14 sessions over 5 days. यही format था available. I remember.
Now that we've done it once, the next time it will be easier to do it because we know what are all the challenges.
Oh no. We always.
This is a structure where you know more. It gets more difficult.
I would have asked them my assignment, Girish. Like an assignment before coming into the program. You'll be admitted to the program only if you do these 5 things.
That would make sense.
Some assignments, some make it difficult for people to join. Let's focus on people who are doing well. अभी कितना टाइम बचा कुछ पता नहीं. Can you go to one of the groups and check, Akanksha? कि कितना टाइम बचा है?
Yeah.
Girish is not able to look at it from his Zoom. कि कितना टाइम बचा है, इसमें लिखा होगा ना ब्रेकआउट में कितना टाइम बचा हो। क्या है? ओके Girish, do you have one of those year in वो क्या आता है उसका pods?
No.
वो runners use करते हैं ना?
I only have this wired. Actually, it is wireless, but I'm on a desktop, so I need that Bluetooth device too.
Okay. Or
Time is not being displayed in the breakout rooms.
Yeah.
So
उनको बोलो।
हाँ, तो 5 मिनट ऑफ दे सकते हैं और then you can call them back on the room.
Yeah. See, I wanted to do 3 things. Okay, Girish. Tell them it's 10:55.
Right.
Meet back at 11:30 when Dr. Kannan will speak about a particular program.
Right.
Then tell them that please ensure that you have only up to 3 problems remaining.
Right.
1 to 3 problems remaining by 11:30. अब वो ब्रेक ले ना ब्रेक ले वो उन पे है।
What 1 to 3 problems remaining मतलब
उतना उनके बचा
okay. They have to identify the 3 problems.
Yeah, red one or 2 or 3 maximum. Up to 3 problems need to be maximum up to 3 problems need to be क्या बोलते हैं इसको distilled selected.
Akanksha, you got recordings from every room? I think she's not.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा है ना, तो मैं जाता हूँ, ठीक है?
So
I'll come back at 11:30.
Yeah. So I just tell them that next session is at 11:30. If every group can identify the 1 or 2 or 3.
If they have to. और जब आएंगे ना बुलेट ले से सब ठोक कर लेंगे, बड़ा डिसाइड। वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का एक ही है, they can decide 2 different groups, because they are 18.
They can decide 2 different problems
because we're going to split the group ना waste में।
Okay.
ऐसा ठीक है, मैं कुछ नाश्ता करके आता हूँ।
ठीक।
Okay, you'll handle it, no?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, I'm not leaving, I'm just stopping the video and muting.
Sure.
Okay.
Breakout rooms are going to close in less than 30 seconds. Sorry, I can't.
Yeah, I've closed the breakout rooms.
I think we are back.
Yeah. Yeah, I think everyone is back. So we'll break for, we'll take a small break now. The next session starts at 11:30. We'll have Professor Kannan Moudgalya, and he'll be taking the next session. Also, if you could just, if all of you could finalize each group, we have 5 groups so far. If each group could finalize which are those 1 or 2 or 3 reds or the problems that you would like to work on, right, as a group. Yeah, so we'll reconnect at 11:30. Just make sure that you have the reds identified. Yeah. We'll keep actually what I'll do is I'll keep the breakout rooms active. So in case you want to go back to the rooms and discuss, you can continue to do it. Otherwise, the next session will start at 11:30. Feel free to take a break if required. The breakout rooms are also going to be active. So yeah, so I'm going to just open the rooms again.